All right, so right now we're going to look at what's my whole number. Improper fractions to a whole number. Okay, so remember, when the numerator is larger than the denominator, that's an improper fraction, right? We know that, oh, that means it's more than one because this one had 6 pieces. So if there's 18, we had to order more pizzas or more cakes to get the 18 pieces, right? So to figure out what whole number that it would land on, we would divide. So 18 divided by 6, right, is 3. So on the number line, it would be 3, okay? Here. So if we had 12 thirds on the number line, we would say 12 divided by 3. Oh, that's 4. That would be 4 on the number line, okay? 16 eighths, right? Okay, we're going to divide 16 divided by 8. That's 2. And so you're looking for that nice division, okay? Now, it's not always going to work out beautifully like that. I might have, let's say, 16 fifths, okay? So I say, okay, well, 16 fifths. Well, 16 doesn't divide into 5 evenly, right? But if I can try to think of a couple numbers down or a couple numbers up, well, I can say to myself, if this was 15 fifths, right, my whole number would be 3. So this would have to be more than 3, right? Do you see what I'm doing there? I'm getting, kind of an estimation of where it would go on the number line. All right, let's try another one. Let's try 23 sevenths, okay? So nothing times 7 equals 23, right? So 23 divided by 7, not going to happen nicely, right, without any remainders. So I'm going to say to myself, well, what could get me close? Well, kind of like a think bubble here, right? I know that 7 times 3 equals 21, okay? So if it was 21 sevenths, it would be 3 on the number line, right? But this is 23 sevenths. So this would be more than 3. So if I had to place this on a number line, I might know that I want to go, and instead of starting at 0, I might start at 3 and go to 4, right? And then I could place, okay, so then I would do my sevenths, and then I would be able to place where that would be, because 21 would be here, right? So let me see, I had to be 7, so I'll go, 7s aren't easy to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So if this would be 21 sevenths, right, then this would be 22, 23 sevenths would be right here. All right, so you can use this, like what's the whole number, or is it more than or less than, to try to find your spot on the number line, okay, and know where you're going to start. So let's try another one. Let's say I did, let me see, let's do 26 fourths. And they wanted you to put that on a number line, right? So, you could start at 0, but that would be a long number line. So I want to say, okay, what would be the whole number, right? So I know that, nothing times 4 equals 26. So let me see. I'm going to try to do that think bubble, right? So I want to get close. So 4 times what? It's going to get me close to 24. 20. All right, so I just told you 24. So 6 would be 24, right? So if we had 24 over 4, our whole number would be 6. But it's not, it's 26, so it's a little bit more, right? So this tells me that, if I'm going to do a number line, I'm going to start at 6, and I'll stop at 7, right? And I'm going into fourths, so, and then I would say, okay, so this one right here, this would be 24 fourths, right? 24 fourths would be 6. This would be 25. This would be 26. This would be 27. This would be 28 fourths. And is 28 divided by 4 7? Yes, so check. Right? All right, let's try another one. Let's do 19 divided by 8. Okay, so nothing times 8 equals 19, right? But up here, I do know that 16 divided by 8 equals 2. And so we're close, right? 16, 19, that's close. So if I had to draw a number line, and I wanted to do two numbers, right? What do I want to put here? I want to put the 2. I'm going to start with a 2. 2, 3, okay? So this would be 16 eighths, right? Now I'm going to put eighths on my number line, so I'm going to do my fourths. Then I'm going to break my fourths up. And then I'm going to find where 19 would be. So let's say 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 eighths. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Let me see. Let's try 25 thirds. Okay, so I know that nothing times 3 equals 25. But, my think bubble, I do know that 3 times 8 equals 24, right? So 24 thirds would be 8, right? This is above that. So when I make my number line, I'm going to start with 8 and go to 9. And this would be 24 thirds, right? So now I have to break it up into thirds. So I'm going to do, right? And this would be 24. This would be 25 thirds. Okay? All right. We'll stop there. We'll try a couple on our own in a little bit.